pilots and ground crew, welcome back to my channel. I'm just doing a quick intro to this video because what it is, I've had a problem or come across a problem with an RC model site which I'll let you decide. It could be a scam site or it might be a legit site that's having a hell of a lot of problems. Right, but I wanted to warn people because I'd hate you to buy something because it's a UK based site but they ship all over the world apparently, but something just doesn't sit right with me. So I'll tell you my story. So let's go over to the computer and you can make up your own minds whether you think the site's legit or there's something fishy going on yourself. Okay then, let's just jump over to the computer so I can tell you exactly what happened, because I would hate anyone to get scammed, and that's why I'm making this video. But like I said, you make up your own decision, right, whether or not the site's a scam site or whether or not it's just a site that's made a lot of mistakes. Either way, I won't be shopping there. Okay then, let's jump over to the computer. Okay then, let's start with their website. And if you hear me sniff, I apologise, I'm a bit congested, like I was in another video I made. Right, moving on. Yeah, this is their website. Now, like I said, this is going to be your personal opinion, just like it's my personal opinion. Now, on the website, everything looks pretty damn good. It all looks legit. You know what I mean? Everything seems good on certain things. You know what I mean? So, the strange thing is what happened to me. I can't find what I was looking for actually. I wonder if I do that. There we go. Right, this flight control board, right, that one actually. This is what I was going to buy, and I say going to because no way I was going to get a 35. It says in stock, like it still says in stock. Right. I checked everything about it. I couldn't find any information about this site at all on Trustpilot. It's as if they don't exist. But if you go onto the web, if you go onto Google search, and for argument's sake, just put this board in, they are advertised. Right, so it's just a strange thing, you know what I mean? And we'll get to what started to set me off. Well, I'll tell you what right now, because I'd started to go through the procedures of buying this flight control board. Alright, remember this is a UK based company. Alright, and obviously as you know I live in the UK. So what I did was I put it into my shopping basket, filled in my address and all that sort of stuff, and then the prices came up. There you go. Right, now I've cut that side of the screen off because that's got all my personal details in, all my names, address and all that sort of stuff. But you can see just from that logo we're still on the same page. But when I came down here for shipping this tiny little flight control board, don't forget it's only 1616, they wanted to charge me 30 odd quid. Right, and they've said 10 to 20 days for shipping. I thought, oh, I can have free shipping for 20 days. I thought that's bloody strange. Alright, because I could order this from Banggood.com, alright, for free shipping, and Banggood are saying 10 days. Alright, so they're trying to charge us 30 odd quid, and this is a UK based company. I was thinking, what the hell's going on there? So what I did was, I went over to their website. Oh yeah, and when I checked into this, I could have got it earlier if I'd have paid more money, but anyway, so I went on to their, not website, their Facebook page, and I went onto the front and I left them a message. This message, here it is. And it basically, I live in the UK, you're based in the UK, you can read it yourself. I was trying to buy this board, but yeah, the shipping was going to be, I put 38 and as you saw it was 33, that's not bad, but whatever, and up to like nearly 90 if I wanted it within a couple of days or so, whatever. But and I said I only live about 3 hours away, and I said I assume this is like a mistake. However, if the blah 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 was wrong information, because I'd calculated it, I checked DHL and DPD charge between £5.90 and £9.50 to have the thing shipped to me from where they're based, here, Reading, UK. Well, the strangest thing happened. I posted this, and within an hour, jump live now over to Facebook, within an hour it was gone. Now we're live on Facebook here, this is my Facebook account, but within an hour it was gone. My post had been removed. I was only asking them if they'd made a mistake, but no, within an hour my post had been removed, and I found that very strange. Right, as for the address, we'll just double check while we're here. Look, oh hell, jump shot. Right, something went wrong there, so my bad. Just try again. As I was saying, as for their address, we'll just check here on their site, and as you can see, this is a map of the UK. Right, you can see I live up here in Hull. 3 hours, it says here, what is that? Oh, it's up there. 3 hours 4 minutes to get there, basically, to get to my address, my location. Alright, so I could not understand their prices, and that's why I had left them that note asking, is it a mistake? But as I said, it's been removed straight away. And on here, where you can leave messages for them, every single post is just by them. Nobody's left messages, or if they have, they've been removed. Now, yeah, you know they're going to put stuff on to advertise what's in their shop. Alright, but let's just click on one of the things they're advertising. Oh, I thought this was a hobby RC shop. That's strange. Ah, that's really weird. Especially when you see the information that they've left. Where was it? I'll tell you what, let's go back to their website, because I did find it. I've just remembered where it was. Delivery information. That's just telling you what I've just told you, but Lots of Props is the UK's fastest growing online FPV RC model related blah 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 blah. They're saying they're the fastest growing store, right? But yeah, they're not. Let's just click on something else. Gimbals. There you go. Gimbals. Right. Okay. You could class this as RC. Some people like to hold on to the gimbals over the camera, but this, to me, oh, there's a bit of RC. Yeah, that's okay. But this is your gimbal. This is your Asmo or Osmo. It's not what I would class as RC. Let's pick something else. I'll tell you what, let's be fair. Let's go down to one of their other posts. Let's pick something else. What we got? Oh, King George. What the hell? What's this got to do with RC? This is modelling and selling stuff and religious stuff, by the way. Well, yeah, religious stuff. What's this got to do with RC? Absolutely nothing. And this is what they're advertising on their site. So, I mean, we'll play devil's advocate. I'll go right down. These are all things they put up. Camera, there you go. So, oh, FPV. So now we know we're going to get FPV stuff, guaranteed. There you go, because it said FPV. So they have got something on there for FPV. But as you saw, they're advertising a hell of a lot of weird stuff. But the only posts, as I said, mine was removed instantly, and the only posts that are up are what they put up. Now, there is a point on here, if I can find reviews, right? Now, that's something they can't change. I was going to leave one, but that's something they can't change because Facebook monitor them. And as you saw here, right, back in July, these are crooks. That is this guy's opinion. These are crooks. Took his payment, could not supply, and then refused to refund him. So they didn't give him it. right, took his money, couldn't supply his order but kept it. And this guy under here, who's wrote about he wish he'd seen that post before, similar sort of situation, right, can't get in contact with them, right, everything's run by bots, and I know because I also sent them an email which went dead, so it's all bloody weird. And as for the biggest growing hobby shop, they're bound to be advertising loads of stuff, so let's have a look at the photo. Oh, that's it. I thought this was the biggest growing hobby shop in the UK. Well, they'll have some videos of stuff. No videos. Now let's have a look at what they should be seeing. Hobby RC, right, a reputable store, right. They've got their own stuff they're advertising. They've also got posts that people have put up. If you look at their photos, they're actually showing you stuff they're selling. I won't go through it all, but you see what I mean. This is what you'd expect to see on a hobby site, advertising their products, not frigging models and jewellery and some religious thing, whatever that was. This is the sort of thing you expect to see. So this is so weird to me, this site. So I wanted to warn people, and you can check it out yourself, obviously, because this is one of them decisions you make for yourself. But when you click on stuff that they're at, like clothing, it's jewellery, that's this. You see, what's this got to do with RC? And this is what they're advertising. What the hell? This is what they're advertising on their site. You know, the biggest growing UK model shop, RC model shop. So there's just something wrong. So obviously I didn't buy it, and as I've said, they removed my post. But it's a warning for you. If you go to this shop, that bloke had left a comment saying they refused to refund him. I sent him an email which went dead. They've removed my post I left them on Facebook, where I basically said what the hell's going on, you know what I mean? So yeah, it's up to you. Personally, I think, in my personal opinion, from what I've looked at, from what's happened to me, and especially the way they removed my post, we don't want anyone to see that, I wouldn't trust this site, and that's why I wanted to put this out as a bit of a warning. I could be wrong, it could have just been a fluke. But there's one more thing as well I found out. When you look a little bit deeper, which would explain the shipping costs, they don't actually seem to have a shop in the UK at all, even though they're telling you. Because if you take your time to read all this, it's simply a case of you place an order with them, and then they'll order from the main manufacturer and then ship it to you. So if you wanted one of them boards like I just showed you, you can get one same price from Banggood.com with free shipping, and it'll arrive within 10 days. And this company will probably order it from Banggood.com. It could take 20 to 40 days or 7 to 15 days, and they'll charge you £30+ and more for it to be delivered. So they're not an actual, from what I gather here, they're not an actual model shop at all. It's probably just some bloke or whatever sat in front of his computer, created this website, and it's a good looking website, I'll give him that much. Created the website, and it's a case of place your order with me, and then I'll order from somebody else and have it shipped to you, but I'll charge you a fortune for the shipping, and that's how I make my money. Yeah, because like I said, Banggood will deliver that board for free within 10 days, and they want to charge me 30 odd quid. So they say it's a delivery charge. It's probably, in my opinion, don't forget, going straight into their pocket, and that's how they're making the money. But you make up your own minds. I just wanted to warn people. well, warn people in the UK in case they shop with this company. But by the looks of it, I don't know, is that, oh no, we deliver all over the place, so maybe you should warn you in other countries as well. So be careful, because, well, if it's a scam, you don't want to get scammed. But I'm leaving that in your own hands to figure out and decide for yourself. I've made my decision. There is no way on hell I am buying anything ever from this Lutz ear prop. For email went dead. They removed my post off Facebook. Somebody's already said basically they won't give me my money back, even though the product, they did not have it in stock, they could not supply it, and they won't give him his money back. So it all sounds extremely gone fishing, as in fishy to me. So I will not be placing any orders from this company. Okay then, pilots and ground crew, I'm going to leave it there and place it in your good hands, and it's up to you, your decision. So you decide. But as for me, no more even looking at this site anymore. Okay then, hope this helps. Thanks for watching and cheers.